In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your QuickBooks account. To make this smooth, start on any modern web browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Keeping your browser up to date helps pages load correctly and keeps your information secure. If you're juggling lots of tabs, consider closing extras so QuickBooks loads quickly. Now go straight to the official QuickBooks website by typing quickbooks.intuit.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This is the safest way to avoid lookalike sites. Before you proceed, glance at the URL and the padlock icon to confirm you're on the legitimate Intuit domain and that your connection is secure. On the QuickBooks homepage, look toward the top right corner and select the Sign In button. Depending on your region or product, the site may momentarily route you through a central Intuit Sign In page. That's normal. When the sign in form appears, enter your registered email address or user ID. Take a second to double check for typos and make sure autofill didn't insert an old address. If you use multiple Intuit services, be sure it's the email associated with your QuickBooks account. Next, type your password carefully. Watch out for caps lock or keyboard layout changes, and only enter your password on this official page. A reputable password manager can help you paste the correct credentials without retyping. If you prefer, use the show or hide toggle to verify what you've entered while still protecting your privacy from people nearby. Click Sign In to continue. Give the page a moment to load. A stable internet connection will speed this up. After authentication, you should land on your QuickBooks account dashboard, where your company data and tools are available. If you've turned on two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. You might be asked for a code from an authenticator app or a code sent to a trusted device. Have that device nearby, enter the code exactly as shown, and avoid sharing it with anyone. If a code doesn't arrive right away, wait a few seconds and check your connection before requesting a new one. That's it. Once verification completes, you're signed in and ready to work. For best security, avoid signing in on public or shared computers, and when you're done with your session, sign out and close the browser window. If something looks unfamiliar during sign-in, stop and double-check the web address before entering any details.